Hi, I'm Lindy from 3RT. Many people think bead blast is just spraying the bead at the metals, but actually it's like choosing a filter for your photos. Here we have Grade 100. This is the heavy lifter. It creates a coarse texture surface.
It's aggressive enough to hide any machining marks perfectly. If you need a non-slip surface or a strong base for painting, this is your best choice.
And for the professionist, we have Grade 220.
It's incredibly fine, almost silky. It feels luxury to the touch.
Choosing the right bead is step 1. Step 2 is protecting what matters.
Bead blasting removes some material.
If we blast these precision threads, your screw won't fit. That's a disaster.
So we mask. Silicone plugs for the holes. High temp tap for the surface. It takes time and patience, but as 3RP, we don't skip this step.
Blasting is done. Now let's remove the protection.
Look at the contrast. You have the matte texture finish right next to the shiny, original machine surface. The transition line should be razor sharp, no bleeding, no messy edges.
And the most critical part, the thread. Because we sealed it perfectly, no bead got inside. Have you ever received a part that looks sharp or dirty? Here is the secret line.
This is recycled dirty bead. It's full of aluminum dust and impurities. Using this is like washing your face with muddy water. And this is fresh, clean bead. This is what we use. Dirty bead gives you a dull, great finish. Clean bead gives you this, a pure, bright silver. We strictly manage our consumable and refresh the machines regularly because cleanliness is quality.
So you see, a great surface finishing isn't just about looking pretty, it's about function and fit.
At 3RP, we treat bead blasting with the same level of precision as CNC machining itself.
We won't let the last step ruin the first step. If you want part data, build to specification from start to finish, send your field to us.